The stock market is back in the green today, and maybe some part of it is due to the White House economic advisor Hassett says the shutdown could end this week. And we're seeing most stocks at least starting out here today in the green for now. And regardless of whether or not the shutdown ends, we are getting a CPI print on Friday morning, 8:30 a.m. US Eastern Time. This is likely to be one of the key events this week. And so far, the NASDAQ trade that I took last week is starting out pretty decent. And part of the reason I really liked this trade was that last week we saw a huge surge in bearishness amongst the crowd. Just take a look at the latest week where we saw 46% of respondents to the AAII Investor Sentiment Survey marked that they were feeling bearish. At the same time, when we look at the put to call ratio, which studies options flow, we can actually see that on Friday and the Friday before, there was a huge surge in put demand as investors got weary. Meanwhile, the Edgefinder continues to get a very bullish score when looking at the NASDAQ, scoring high in technicals, institutional activity through the Commitment of Traders report, and crowd sentiment, which as I mentioned, is still very bearish. At the same time, the economy seems to still be growing strong, and while the jobs market does not look too great, inflation data suggests we may be still getting some interest rates. And if you want to check out the Edgefinder, head over to a1trading.com or use the link in my profile.